to show you those ceiling lights. It's not ceiling, but they dangle down with this. This is the wire cord, and that's what's gonna be on top of here. And you install this towards the ceiling. They give really nice ambiance to your home. It has black from outside and this kind of orangey, bronzy color from the inside, and they come in two. So we are going to hardwire it and then fix it to the ceiling. So basically how we are going to wire it, I'm gonna remove the lights, the existing lights that I have, the already ones, and then I'm going to hardwire it through this here. Look, so we're gonna cut what's in the ceiling and then reconnect it and put electrical tape on top of them to secure it. So here, this plate is what's going to go on the wall where the wires are, and then we're gonna put like that, and then we're gonna just put this one like this, and the light will be dangling from here. So I've passed this through, and this is the length that I want. So I'm going to be cutting out all of this excess length.